What's up, Khosi Nation? It's your boy Team Mbuyane. Namhla nginiphathele indaba ezimnandi guys. Uyabona i-team enkulu? Hayi yenza imanga mfethu. Uyabona le season siwina yonke into. Awubheke manje uVelebhayi sesimwinile. Siyiwinile i-case kaVelebhayi. He's officially going to join i-Kaizer Chiefs today. I-PSL ikhiphe statement itolo itshela i-Cape Town Spurs ukuthi Velebhayi is officially a free agent. Nine bani-relegated nisetu amateur side, so the contract Velebhayi is no longer binding. The player is allowed to join any club that he wants as a free agent. Then ayizange yaphatheka kahle i-Cape Town Spurs, but there's nothing they can do. The player is going to Naturena, guys. Velebhayi, it's a star player. He was a star player about the way Cape Town Spurs. Now he's going to be playing for a big team in South Africa, which is Amakhosi for life. So Velebhayi, it's an attacking winger. Yabon, udlala wethula ama side. You can play him on the left, you can play him on the right. And he also have the ability to score goals. So yes, kuzoba buhlungu uPule Modi. So kuchaza ukuthi uPule Modi kuzofuna ukuthi anyuse amasokisi mfethu. Ufuna anyuse amasokisi lapha because le position nazo ishare ne play elifana noVelebhayi kuzoba madima kakhulu mfethu. So I think uPule Modi this season uzoshisa naye because la kule position yakhe there's already a threat. Kanye no lona nangalapha kuleli side lo Mfundo Vilakazi. But Mfundo Vilakazi, in my opinion, udlala kamnandi lo mfana. He's one of my favorite players. But I like the fact ukuthi kuzohlala kune competition, yabona. And njenganyalo phela so basidlala curve. So isquad sethu simnandi mfethu. Ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ithole uVelebhayi laphana guys. Akuzoba mnandi eNaturena. Izodlala iTV. Bantu basazokhala. Kuzokhala bumayimayi mfethu. Angazi ukuthi kuzoyenzekani mfethu. Kuzonyiwa lesizini. Kuzonyiwa. Nje kusasa ntambama siya koshala abanye. So shaya ipulukwane kusasa mfethu. Lesizini lena siwina everything. Onke amaplayer labe siwafuna sizowathola. Siwina yonke into nyalo. Kusasa siyela ipulukwane. So ishaya ipulukwane. Yesikoleta vele. So ishaya. Sicede lapho sohlala ka number 1. Number 1 siyamfuna guys. Likhosi libuyile mzi. Lento leyo sibazobhizwa Kaizer Chiefs. Njani. Labantu bafile. Indinya what. Indinya my foot. Siwina yonke into nyalo mfethu. Kuzokhala kumayemayo. Inetback besisabakhomba ukuthi lento leyo uNabi ebesolo ayipheka seyivuthwe. Konke lokhu bengathi kupheka uNabi mfethu. uNabi uyanyazi ukuthi bekapheka. Nyalo siyaseva.